guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my kitchen, my refrigerator. I've never done this. I think the last time I've done like cleaning out my refrigerator, it was April. So it's July now and it's probably disgusting. Actually, I know it's disgusting because it smells. Why I wanted to do this video was because it smells so bad in here and it's leaking up into my fridge. So I thought, it's leaking up into my freezer. So I thought that it would be a good time to obviously clean my fridge, but also make a video about it because I know that a lot of people like cleaning videos and I've seen a few of these. Not many people clean their fridge and I'm gonna admit that I'm one of those people. Like I said, I haven't cleaned it since April, but I also don't really wipe it down. Like usually when I clean it, I just like dump the leftovers and then wash those out, but that's it. I've never really like wiped down. I think my husband did it maybe like 6 months ago. It's just not something that I think about because I just throw food in there and then that's it. So I'm gonna clean this out because this weekend I have to do like my grocery list on everything I need, and this is the perfect time because last week I started to use cheese and I found out that it was way too old. So I'm pretty sure that there are some expired things in here. So I'm gonna go with the fridge first, and then if I have time and if I feel like I need to, I'll go up to the freezer. Alright guys. Might need a hazmat suit for cleaning through this thing, but nothing fancy about my fridge, but it keeps everything I need in here. Here's the side. So let's get started. Think that I'm going to just wipe down everything in here instead of taking out and like deep washing it, because nothing really looks as dirty as that one that I just washed. So I'm just gonna take some Windex or like my Method glass cleaner and just clean it that way because I think that that'll do the quickest and the easiest. So here is what it looks like after. I got rid of quite a bit. I'll show you guys in just a second. So I got rid of all of this crap. This is just leftovers and like random water bottles. I could keep these, but I don't even know who drank them. And then a Powerade that someone gave me at work. And then, oh, and this bag of salon, it's disgusting. And then, okay, don't mind my collection of cans over here. This is not usually what my counter looks like, but I also spilled this cup of milk that was in there for I don't know how long. But this yogurt is, I think, 3 months expired. It's like water, like I can feel it in there. And then this cream cheese, I don't really know how old it is, but I'm not gonna eat it. This is from Christmas, like 2 years ago, maybe last year, I don't know. My sweet tea, there's not much left in there. Some really old salsa, and then I'm just dumping this cup of milk. So there was a lot to get rid of, but I'm so glad that I did this. It does not smell too bad anymore, so I don't think I'm gonna do my freezer, but like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.